Hi, everyone. This is Christina Lewandowski with Microbiology 206. My food that we chose for this week is pickled onions. Traditionally, I'm Syrian Lebanese, so we eat them very regularly with our cultural cuisine, and I've made it probably at least once a month since I started cooking. So, some of the bacteria involved in the process, upon further research, are Lactobacillus plantarum, L. brevis, and Leuconostae mesenteroides. So, in this process, the onions themselves undergo lactic acid fermentation. Um, in order to do that, vinegar is added along with some other spices, depending if you want to spice them, as well as something sweet to make it a little bit of a contrast, like honey. The onions serve as the vessel that the bacteria can act on and do their thing to help it ferment. The vinegar hastens the process, and the way that we can it and process it, it eliminates the oxygen in the container, which therefore inhibits bacterial growth in the absence of oxygen. Because of this and the canning process, the acids are produced in the food through the fermentation process. Um, and as a result, there's little to no oxygen in the jar. There's a higher CO2 buildup of gas in the jar, and the pH also drops, making it a very acidic environment that not many bacteria would want to stick around for. Um, Definitely am not sharing the family recipe. I wouldn't change a thing. I love it. And this is actually a really great case study for fermentation itself. You get to watch the process. It keeps for 2 to 3 weeks if you do it the quick pickle way in the fridge. And then, because of the opening of the jar, the introduction of oxygen, it does begin to deteriorate, and then it's no longer safe to eat after 3 weeks. Thank you.